Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Sushmita. How are you all? In today's video, I'm going to do a review for a palette which I recently bought, and that is Makeup Revolution London Create Tammy palette. You can see there's a lot of color going on my eyes right now. I created this eye makeup look using this palette only. So let's get started with the video to see how I created this makeup look. Also to see whether this palette is worth it or not. I'm really excited to try these colors. I have tried a few colors like this, rusty orange and few others shimmers from this palette. But still there's a lot of options over here which I haven't really tried, and I really want to explore as much as possible today. And for that I think I would use few colors on this eye, few other colors on this particular eye, and I might end up looking a weird person, but I think it's okay. At the end of the day, we need to remove the makeup. It's okay. You can go really crazy with makeup, so chill. So I'm gonna start with this eye. For that I'm gonna take this shade over here. To get the maximum color payoff, I'm gonna take the color from the palette and just tap it over here. I'll keep packing the color until I have the right shade. This is very pigmented, guys. You need to be a little careful, and there is a little fallout. I have a little fallout over here on the palette itself, but it's okay. These are pressed powders, and when they are pressed powders, you will get a little fallout. Next I'll take another brush and I'll take this purple sort of a blue shade. I'll also pack it on my eyelids. And I'm gonna pack it way until my outer socket of my eyes, like over here in a V sort of a shade. I mean, that's the shape I want. And to smudge the edges, I'm gonna take this green shade over here with a fluffy brush. I'll take a very tiny amount, just nicely buff it. On this side of my eye, I played with some cool tones, so I think on this side of my eyes, I'll play with some warm tones like orange, red. So I'll start with this purple shade over here, and then we will move on to the red shade. And to buff the edges, I'm gonna go and take this yellow shade. This is more like a mustard yellow. With the help of a fluffy brush, take a tiny amount, take out the extra and slightly buff it. I don't want to rub it. I don't want to mix the red with the purple because I'll end up having a muddy shade. I don't want that. Next up, for my inner corners, for this side I'm gonna go with this shade over here. This is more like a lemon green shimmer, and for this side's inner corner I'm gonna take this shimmery purple over here. This is a light shade of purple. And for my lower lash line, I'm gonna use blue this side and red this side. And I will blend that with the green. There's a lot of green fallout under my eyes. You can definitely see it. If you are using a colorful palette, and if you want to do a bright eye look and you want to use a number of colors and you think there's fallout, make sure you do your eyes first. Don't make the same mistake I did right now, because end of the day I'm gonna wipe it off. On this side I'm gonna do the red. So I think I'm almost done with the palette. Now I'll put on some mascara, liner, and then pop on some falsies, and I will be back. And I'm back with my complete makeup on. Now I'm going to talk about what I love about this product, what are the cons of this product. So the first thing I'm going to talk about this product is its price. MRP of this palette is 1950 rupees, but I got this product when this was on discount. It was only rupees 1050 rupees, so that was a win-win situation for me. So I would always suggest you people, if you want to buy any kind of makeup is expensive, go ahead, wait for some time if you can. when they are on discount, buy them. This is a beautiful palette with 18 matte and shimmer shades. And now we will talk about the quality of the product. There are a lot of palettes available in India which we pay heavy price for, but the colors do not really turn out the way we want. But this particular palette is amazing. In one word, I would say this is really beautiful, and the color payoff is actually very good. And you imagine a color starting from red to green to blue to yellow. You have almost every single color in this palette, and I want to take time to appreciate the shimmers because they complement the palette so much. You can use the lemon shade over here with these green shade and few other colors. You have this purple to complement with this purple and blue colors. You have this brown shimmer, brown gold sort of a shimmer. You can use it in the inner corners on the lids, and that's gonna look bomb. And this red satin color is to die for. I have used it in one of my videos and it looks fabulous. It's beautiful. The color coordination is amazing in this palette. Packaging wise, it's very beautiful. I personally do not mind packaging until and unless they are quite sturdy and close well. I also try to use as much as possible to showcase how the color actually works, how pigmented they are. I don't know I have done any justice to my eye look or not, but they are supremely pigmented, nice and very smooth. The only thing about this palette you might not like is fallout. I would not say there's a lot of fallout. You could literally see the green fallout over here, but the fallout is not way too much. It's very less in quantity and it is also negligible. I still want to make sure that I convey this message to everyone who is watching this video. So if you would ask me whether you should go ahead and buy this palette or not, I would say definitely go for this palette. If you are looking for a colorful palette, you want to play with colors, you are a beginner, I would say this is a very good choice for you. Great investment. The color payoff is nice. Colors are very smooth in texture, blend nicely, and the shimmers are just wow. And that's all for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I hope now you know whether you should go for this palette or not. Do let me know in the comment section down below, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell button to get notified every time I upload my new videos. And thank you so much for watching this video. I'm being Sush. See you next time.